Final. South Africa, they're represented by Hannes Hopley. Next up will be Niklas Arrhenius from Sweden. Good throw there, it passes both the 50 and the 55 meter lines. Good usage of the circle. And that gives him a 59.19, which is a personal best.
Next thrower up will be South Africa's Hannes Hopley. Came in here as one of the underdogs, and he's been in the medals all the way through the competition. This is his fifth throw, and it really is a good one. He's happy with that, and it's way over the 55 meter mark. He's very, very chuffed with that, following in the footsteps of Franz Kruger, the world junior champion 1994, and this could challenge Fritz Potgieter's South African mark. And that puts Hopley into the gold medal position this late stage in the competition. And very, very good throwing by him indeed. And the only man that can change things now is Rutger Smith from the Netherlands, the javelin champion. Now what can he do? He's been lying in the medal position, not good enough for gold. The gold medal there to South Africa's Hannes Hopley.
Hannes Hopley, the South African under-18 record holder, did eclipse Fritz Potgieter's Africa and South African record, which stood at 59.12. He established a new national record at 59.51.